Okay, very much concerned talaga, disconcerting, at hindi na naman nga po ako nakatulog. Ang hindi po namin maintindihan kung bakit pinilit nilang may archive instead of just, ano na muna, pending na muna yung alternative action na pinopose ni former Senate President and Minority Leader of the Senate, Senator Tito Soto, ay ayun ang maganda dapat. I-table na muna pending the resolution of the MRs filed with the Supreme Court. Bakit sila nagmamadali? Ano bang diferensya? Of course, they were saying kasi nakasabi immediately executory. Hindi po ibig sabihin dahil immediately executory, final na. Kasi nga, meron pang motion for reconsideration. Pina-comment pa nga ng Korte Suprema yung petitioners, sila Vice President Sara Duterte and si Attorney Torion. Kung talagang final na yan, hindi na sana pinansin yung mga MR, including yung mga motions for reconsideration and intervention filed by the group led by Representative Percy Sendanya and yung sa Tindig Pilipinas, and also yung motion for reconsideration intervention um, filed by Isang Bayan. Sana ni-note na lang nila yung MR without action. Kung hindi nila itatackle yung motion for reconsideration on the belief that it's immediately executory. Again, hindi po ibig sabihin final na yung immediately executory. Tsaka yung mga sinasabi nila na, ayan na kasi, kailangan sundin na yan, respetuhin na natin yung, judgment or decision ng Supreme Court. Pero hindi ba nila iniisip na maraming question, maraming issues surrounding that decision, particularly on the factual premises? Ang dami nang nagsalita, hindi lang yung mga nasa motion for reconsideration na ang gaganda ng mga argumento, malalakas yung mga argumento ng Solicitor General as the counsel for the House of Representatives. Malinaw na may mga mali doon sa desisyon, kaya importante na bigyan ng chance ang Supreme Court to revisit, re-examine, and take another hard look at the arguments na in favor of impeachment, in favor of the jurisdiction of the Senate as an impeachment court. Isa